I'm going to show you how this simple script that I'm about to show you can easily 10 times the growth on your OnlyFans account. And what does that mean? That means 10 times the revenue. So I'm not on here to show off this little cutie's body. I'm on here to show off the impressive numbers on the account. These three numbers are what I'm talking about. Why? Because what the script does is you run the script when a new subscriber appears on the OnlyFans account. And it gets them to go and like a bunch of posts. And while doing that, they build up a commitment bias, and then boom, you sell them a video, sell them a photo, and then you've got them in your back pocket. Now, what this does is two things. It butters them up, gets them committed, as I was saying, but the other thing is it helps build social proof on your OnlyFans account. Now, why is this important? It's important because you can do all the marketing you want, you can do all the funneling you want, but when the simps ultimately come to the OnlyFans account, they are greeted with these three numbers here. And these three numbers can be the difference between whether a subscriber subscribes or whether they bounce and they don't subscribe. For example, if a simp goes to an OnlyFans account and he sees the account's only got 3 photos and 1 video or no videos, he's going to go, well, that's not worth my money, so I'm going to leave. And it can also go the other way. You can go to this and it can say 183 photos, 35 videos, awesome, but it's only got 3 likes. What does that mean? It means no one's on there, which means no one's interested. So that is where the social proof comes from. The social proof comes from the amount of likes that you see. And this is very important because, as I said, when a simp gets to the OnlyFans account, he is greeted with these 3 numbers, and these 3 numbers will be the difference between him subscribing and him leaving. Now, that's enough of showing off this book. Now let's show you this script. This is the script here. Made it myself. I call it the new subscriber script. Now, obviously, when you're using this, you'll tailor it according to the model's personality. Now, I did my best to look like a girl aged between 18 and 26. It's very specific. What I mean by that is you have some grammatical issues and you have a lot of emojis. Looks legit. So anyway, let's go through it. So a new subscriber appears, right? They pop up. And then you go, boom. Hi babe, glad you found my page. Let's make a deal. Give a like to my pictures in my feed and I'll send you a free video. Let me know when you're done. So he sees this and he goes, oh, free video, yeah. And he'll just scroll down your feed, boop, 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 like. And what does that do? That makes this number go up. And then he'll go through that. He'll message you, done, I did it. Okay, now let's see the video. And then you go, oh, thank you so much, hope you like it. Boom, send him a short 15-second trailer. Look, you don't even have to show nudity in this trailer. Just do something. Lift your top up a little bit, push your boobs together, whatever, wear some lingerie, whatever. But you said you'd give him a free video, and a free video that you gave. And then that gets him warmed up a little bit. So he social proofed the account, you've got him all buttered up, and then he'll say something like, oh my God, that's so sexy, that's hot, blah, blah, blah. And you go, oh, thanks, I'm glad you like it. Where are you from? Create a bit of dialogue. He'll go, blah, blah, blah. Oh, cool, I'm from. And then boom, you show him the product. Would you like to see more of that video? Now, it could go 2 ways. He could say yes, and you go, okay, I'm not going to read this out on YouTube, but I forgot that I was at the bottom there. YouTube, if you're watching, don't watch, all right? I know it's a new platform, but don't watch. So I'm just getting, getting them, and then you boom, attach the full video with a price. I normally go minimum $35. If you're wondering why those prices might be higher than what you're expecting, watch my other videos, but boom, $35, we don't fuck around. Boom, and then you've never seen a girl like this, act confident, and then he should purchase with a bit of luck. Otherwise, if he says a no, that means he's a tight ass. You go, find the Mr. Boring way to ruin the mood. Now what this will do is 2 things. He will just go, you're just using me, blah, 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 whatever. Or he'll go, no, I'm not boring, I want your attention, and then buy. Now, if he continues on, after you say, find the Mr. Boring way to ruin the mood, and he goes, no, but I paid my rent, my car's in the shop, blah, 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 I had to pay my bills, I went to hospital last week, I've got no money left, I can barely eat. Guess what? You just ignore him. Ignore further messages. And then what will that do? He'll go, no, I want your attention. And he could buy. Otherwise, if he doesn't, boom, add him to dud list. But anyway, that's getting off topic. Point is, this script is going to 10 times the growth on your account because it's going to add to the social proof. It's going to add to that number there. then it's going to build up a commitment bias in this person. And then boom, you sling him a picture, sling him a video, whatever. And then boom, you got him in your back pocket and you start making money. So that's it. So what I'll do is I would set this as the automated message. So as soon as a new subscriber appears, they automatically get this. And then you simply continue on with this. So if you're a manager watching, you'll give this to your chatters, or if you're a girl or an account creator, a content creator watching this, then I would simply use this yourself. But that's what I'll do. So once again, you're welcome. Let me know when you've made bank from my advice as usual. And while you're at it, if you want any more sauce like this, I just launched my Discord. Link is below. It was $29 a month, but because you've been waiting such a long time, it's gone up to $39. Guess what? Soon it's going to go up to $49, then $79, then $99, then $149. It will just keep going up. So you want to get in quick. Why do you want to get in? Because remember the part how I said it's a Discord and it's only $39 at the moment? Well, fucking look at this. What kind of Discord has this? You've got scripts, you've got templates, you've got done for you methods, guides, whatever. Then you've got daily TikTok trends, free model leads, and then a whole bunch of different channels. If you can show me another Discord that does this for that low price, then I'll happily say, fine, don't sign up. But you'll notice you won't find one. So you want to click that link below, because when you get in this early, you are locked into that price. Now, I recommend you get in there right quick, because there is a lot more where that came from. So as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.